guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Esther. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to another video. If you guys are new, welcome. Just take a moment to subscribe if you have not done so, and if you have subscribed and you are returning, thank you guys so much for tuning in to another video. So listen, I'm so excited. At the end of the video, I'm gonna go ahead and announce a giveaway as promised for a $25 CVS gift card. Or the winner can choose the gift card of their choice, but I would like to do that in honor of you guys helping me to get to 1,000 subscribers. So I really appreciate you guys doing that. I'm going to be sharing a Walgreens haul with you guys today, and also walking you through how you can pay using contactless pay if you're using a paper booster, and how to submit back for the P&G promotion. So again, I do take the time to read your comments so I know what's going on and what you guys need help with. So stay tuned for that. I'm gonna walk you through that at the end. All right guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and start here with the Nexus. They are on a promotion this week. For when you spend $25, you're gonna get back $10 in register rewards. So this is a giving back of register rewards, not Walgreens cash. So you can actually pick up 2 of these. We do have a $5 digital coupon. And then you can actually use $20 in Walgreens cash to pay, and then you still get back the $10 in register rewards, because this is giving you a register reward. Now if it was like spend $25, get $10 in Walgreens cash, you wouldn't have to worry about how much that you are spending, and if you are meeting the threshold. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab these bigger ones because they're not normally included, but they are for $16. And then we do have that $5 digital coupon, so I'm definitely gonna go ahead and grab those too. All right guys, I'm gonna go ahead and pick up the Icy Hot. They are $8.99, and then buy one get one half off. Now these are on 2 separate promotions. I can't ever say her name right, but I think her name is Lorena. She posted this deal on Instagram, so I'm gonna try it out. So buy one get one half off, and then they were part of the promotion. When you buy 2, you're getting $5 and store coupon, as well as it's buy 2 get $4, so you're getting 2 rewards there. We do have a $1 digital coupon, and I still have this printable that's valid, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab 2. I think we also have inserts as well, but I don't recall seeing this in the inserts, but we do. So I'm grabbing 2 using $4 off, and then I should get back a total of $9 coming back. All right guys, so I wanted to pick up a few more items just to kind of walk you guys through how to submit for your P&G rebate. This store doesn't have any signal at all, so I'm not able to really scan a lot of the products I want to scan, and I wanted to pick up some new items. Anyways, I'm not able to do that, but I will walk you guys through how to submit it with other coupons, with other receipts that I have along with this one. So I'm gonna grab 3 of the scope. They are $5, and then when you buy 3, you're gonna get back $5 in register rewards. We also have a $5 digital coupon, so these do qualify for the P&G rebate as well. All right guys, I'm gonna go ahead and pick up the Olay to add to my transaction. They are on sale this week for $7. These are not March, but they are on sale for $7. And then we do have a $5 digital coupon, and then when you buy 2, you're gonna get back $4 in register rewards. So this is everything I'm gonna be grabbing for this transaction here, and then I'm gonna also use the paper booster to go along with my spend 50. All right guys, so here's the $10 I'm gonna be using, 10 of 40, and then I'm gonna go ahead and throw in these register rewards to lower my out of pocket since they are getting ready to expire. All right, so to use contactless pay, you're gonna have to go through the app right here and then click on your wallet, and this is where you can actually go ahead and add a card if needed. So sorry guys, this is kind of slow because my store has no signal. But right there, you'll click on add a new card. You'll put the card number. So this card that I'm entering here is the card that I got from the doing the P&G promotion. So you want to add it. It needs to be a credit card number, not a debit card. So a debit card is not going to work, but since this card can be used as debit or credit, I'm gonna put it in, and I'm gonna let it stay on my account for me to use as a burner card. So meaning that if I'm doing my transaction and something goes wrong, it's not gonna go through. It's gonna give me the chance for me to review my transaction and also have the ability to have a manager come over and void it, versus where if I put in my actual credit card and it's just gonna go through if something is wrong. You do have to put the address that matches the card, and then it takes a moment there, and then you want to change it to your preferred card, and then you're pretty much good to go. So then you want to go back and open up your wallet. Once you open up your wallet, there you'll have the opportunity to add the amount of Walgreens cash that you want. So you're going to click on manage payment and rewards, and then from there, depending on how much of Walgreens cash you have, you can choose the amount. Here I'm adding 20. It's gonna provide you with the barcode that you're going to give to the cashier for them to scan, and with that, your phone number is gonna come up, and your coupons are going to come off as well, and your method of payment. Another thing to keep in mind is that the barcode does expire after a certain amount of time. So what you want to do is just click out of it and then come back. You may have to reapply the Walgreens cash that you are using, and then just go ahead and get a new barcode. All right, guys, so here is my receipt. Here is the icy hot, the Olay, the Nexus, and the Crest scope. Here is my point booster right there. These are the digital, the paper manufacturer register rewards that I use. So $3, $5, $4, and a $4. And here are the digital coupons. So, oh, actually that did come off. Oh, okay. I thought my $2 icy hot didn't come off, but it did. So $5 here for the Nexus, $5 for the scope, the other $5 for the Olay, and then the $2 here for the icy hot. My total came out to $39. I did use $20 in Walgreens cash. I also used the $15 card that I showed you guys yesterday, and I actually tried to insert that and do contactless pay, but it didn't take, because with contactless pay you have to put in a card. I'm sorry, a credit card, not a debit card. And then I paid the rest out of pocket. And then I earned $20 in Walgreens cash. So I got $10 for spending $50 for the digital booster, and the $10 for spending $40 for the paper booster. And then here is everything that I got back. So I got a 20% off. I got back $4 for the icy hot. As you can see, this is the manufacturer promotion. And then I got the store coupon for buying 2 of those. And then $4 for the P&G. So this $4 is for the Olay, $10 for the Nexus, and $5 for buying 3 of the scope. So all in all, a pretty great deal there. I'll put my totals on the screen so you guys can see how much I spent all together. All right, guys, so here's how I'm calculating my total. So I had $16 of register rewards, so 2 $4, a 5, and a 3. And then I spent $39 out of pocket, $39.48. That includes my $20 in Walgreens cash. So if I minus the 20 in Walgreens cash, that would cost me $19.48. So overall, this cost me $55.48. So here's what I got back. I got back a total of $28 in register rewards, and then I got back $20 in Walgreens cash. So that gave me back a total of... So everything here ended up costing me $7.48. Now, it wasn't until I was doing this I just realized that my $2 of the icy hot came off, but I had submitted back to the coupons.com app to get back $2. So if you're counting that, then that'll cost me $5.48, which is really, really good considering everything that I got here, the icy hat, the Olay, Nexus, the bigger items, and the scope. So I thought that was pretty good for $7.48. So I'm gonna show you guys quickly how you can use contactless pay to pay when you're using a booster and you want to use Walgreens cash, as well as how to do a rebate, how to redeem for the P&G rebate. If you guys can see here, this $15, this is the card that I got and I ended up using for to pay part of this transaction out of pocket. So I just got that back yesterday and I used it today to help lower my out of pocket. It was still a cost to me because I did count it as a rewards earned, so I'm counting it as a reward spent as well, but it is part of my $39 out of pocket. So let me go ahead. Here is all of the rewards that I got. All right guys, so to enter into the giveaway, all you need to do is subscribe to the channel, give the video a big thumbs up, as well as leave me a comment below in the description box. Let me know how long you have been couponing. So I'm gonna go over my receipt slowly so you guys can see all that I grabbed. So leave me a comment in the description box. Let me know how long you've been couponing, and also give the video a big thumbs up, and I'll choose the winner in the video that I'm gonna make next week for my Walgreens haul. And let me know if you guys want me to do some CVS hauls for you as well, so that I can start doing that when I get a chance as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let's get into the tutorial. All right, first you want to make sure that you are signed up for a P&G account. I'll have my link in the description box below. When you sign up using my link, they'll give you 50 points, as well as myself. So you want to make sure that you do have an account. So once you log on, you'll see the amount of points that you have. I have already submitted through my main account. So this is my mom's account with a different address. So I don't have any points there. There are symbols that you can actually click on. So I went and click on this one, but there's no symbols. But at the bottom there, you'll see all of the things that you can actually click on and get rewards for. So these are all of the brands that are included with P&G. So whenever you buy an item, you can actually submit your receipt and then you'll get points back. These are all of the coupons that you can print from the P&G website. The personal coupons like the Olay body wash, the Crest toothpaste, and Head and Shoulders, as well as Pantene. There's one more I'm missing. Herbal Essence. Those are normally gone within like the first few days of them posting it. But if you click on the right hand side, you want to go down and click on rebates. So I'm missing click on rewards here, but you want to click on rebates. And then once you click on rebates, it's going to show you all of the rebates that are available. And so then you can actually see in the drop down button which rebates that we have that are actually going on. So the one that you want to submit for is the made to serve rebate. And then here you can actually see all of the items that are included. You can see the list right there. It's telling you you have to get 15 when you spend 50 or get 5 when you spend 20. So let's say that you didn't make it to $50. You can absolutely submit your receipt to get back $5. For me, it's just more worth it for me to go ahead and do the spend 50. Also, you don't have to spend the 50 on one receipt. You can actually compile it over a different receipt. It allows you to upload 5 different pictures. And you're not allowed to submit those receipts more than one time. I'm sure there's a way that they check. So to begin, you want to put your name first and last, your address, city where you live. And you want to make sure you're keeping track of that if you're submitting back from multiple households, because you do need the zip code to activate the card when you get it. Date of birth. Now, retailer, you want to go ahead and put Walgreens or wherever you're shopping at. I normally do this at Walgreens. The date of purchase. For the date of purchase, if you're compiling your receipt, you want to put your latest amount. Your latest date. So my last date was today on May 5th. Happy Cinco de Mayo. was on May 5th. So on my receipt, I'm going to go ahead and put May 5th. For the total, I want to add up the amounts that are on both of my receipts. So here I'm going to pull up my calculator and I'm going to add the amounts that are on my receipt. So right here, so my first receipt had like $43 and some change. Apparently I can't add better. But within both of the receipts, my total came out to about $91. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and put in there. I'm going to go ahead and put $91.14. Now, that does not include the amount of coupons that I use, but what matters is I'm over the $50 mark. Once I do that, there are two ways for you to add the UPC. You can actually look right on your receipt. You can see the UPC number, which I'll try to show you guys. There, you can see the UPC right under the product, the name of the product, and then you'll see a UPC number. You want to add that. I'll take a picture of the receipts that I submitted so I can show you guys as well. So then I'm just taking the time here to just enter them. And then it's going to give you a drop down of the receipt. So right there, it fills in the description for you. You want to put the amount, how many that you purchased, and then the price per item. Now, I've seen some people actually put the price minus the coupons. I put the actual price myself, whatever is listed on the receipt. That's what I tend to put. And then from there, you want to keep going. Just add an item and then keep adding your next item. So I'm going to go ahead and go through this part here quickly, and then I'll pick up from there. So yeah, you just want to keep adding, and then it's going to give you a drop down. So choose the item that matches there, how many of that item that you purchase, and the price. So $5, and then add an item, and then on to the next UPC code. So actually what I ended up doing was just pushing the button, and then later on I just pick right on over it. Let me know if this is making sense for you guys, if this is easy enough to really understand how to get the rebate and things like that, and how your couponing journey has been at Walgreens. So we're going to keep adding. Once you get to a certain number, it gives you the drop down. There you want to put the number of item, the price, and then you want to add another item. So then on this part, just to make it go a little bit quicker, I just hit the microphone on my keyboard, and I just started speaking the UPC numbers and just added those items there. So I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward to the end where I can show you guys the next steps here. So now that I have entered everything, I'm gonna go down and choose a file. So by choosing a file, I can click on choose a file, and it's gonna give me the option to go to the photo library, or I can take an actual picture of my receipts. So right here, I'm gonna show you guys, these are the two receipts that I'm using. As you can see, this one is dated for 4/12, and this other receipt is dated for 5/5. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the picture of the one dated for 5/5 first. So I'm just gonna open up my camera and then take a picture, and then it's going to attach a file. So let me go ahead and do that, and then I'll be right back. So as you can see, both of my files are attached, and then I just want to, of course, agree to the terms and condition. I'm going to fill out all this information that is missing, and then submit. Once you submit, it takes a couple of seconds of scrolling, and then after that, it's gonna give you some type of message. I don't get an email confirmation or anything like that. At least I don't normally check the junk boxes, since all of these are under the different email addresses. But when it goes through, it gives you a message at the end letting you know this is gonna take 4 to 6 weeks for you to receive your gift card in the mail for delivery. So once you get it, you want to move quickly, because those do expire within like a couple of months or so. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and enter into the giveaway, and leave me a comment below. Let me know if this really helped you. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.